Everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn English Step by Step. Today I will discuss about last parts of speech, that is interjections. Firstly, I will talk about objectives. Students will be able to identify interjections. Students will be able to define interjections. Students will be able to give example of sentences using interjection appropriately. Students will be able to write sentences using interjection correctly. Now it starts with the definition of interjection. An interjection is a kind of exclamation inserted into regular speech. Actually, it is a brief and abrupt pause in speech for expressing emotions. Interjection do not have a grammatical function in the sentence construction. They usually cannot be modified or inflected. They do not have to have a relation to the other parts of the sentence. They are highly context insensitive. In spoken language, interjections are the words we instantly use to show our reaction to something which is influences our emotions. They are the initial reaction and something do not even make sense. However, for formal speech or writing, using interjection is not appropriate. Interjection mainly have four rules. First is interjection express sudden mood, emotions, and feeling with emphasis. There are also many taboo words that are usually used in everyday conversation, but not in formal aspects. These words falls into the category of interjection. Examples are wow, that's an amazing scene, or I did not want him to come. What, you never told me that. Rule 2. Some interjection interrupt a conversation or a thought of or hold someone's intention for a moment. These are just sound, not words, because these sounds do not make any senses. Examples are your mm, shirt has a stain on the back. I want you ask you out on a date. Rule 3. Some interjection expresses only yes or no. Examples are yes, I will most definitely do it. Nah, we are not going. Rule 4. Some interjections are used to get someone's intention. Examples: yo, Alex gets in the car. Hey, will you give me that ball? Thank you. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel for my further videos. Thank you everyone for like my videos.